시스템 노티스노 가운데 지리 바로 획득이 도박한 사슬이 아니 수학에서 도박 마스터 보기스터 노트고 모르게 실시들이
Secretary Tribal Welfare Department and other
tiar tay lahat dari babi kisah cara sampai lahat na.
Sometimes I talk to your Chief Minister, very much close to me. He invited me for his daughter's marriage, but I couldn't.
Under the MSP, that is minimum support price for MFP, means minor forest produce scheme. States can purchase, our government, every state, this northeastern, all the states, Ashtalakshmi, they can purchase minor forest produce from the tribal collectors at government fixed prices through a revolving fund, ensuring that they get a stable income. Currently, 87 minor forest producers we have under this project. Rupees 6 crore and 22 lakhs have been approved as revolving fund in the Northeast. Emphasis has also been given on the development of infrastructure. Rupees 5 lakh has been allocated for modernization of each hut. Every hut will get rupees 5 lakh for modernization, and every hut will get rupees 3 lakh 25,000 for construction of storage facility. Rupees 20 crore 13 lakhs have been approved for the modernization of hut or bazaar and for the construction or renovation of storage facilities in the northeastern regions, which is helpful in increasing the business. You will be glad to know that rupees 2 crore 66 lakh for minor forest produce and rupees 1 crore 14 lakh for infrastructure development has been approved for Tripura. Under the Bonodhan Yojana project, 15 to 20 self-help group, SHG groups are formed with 300 tribal forest dwellers or artisans. These together form a Bonodhan Vikas Kendra. And each Bonodhan Vikas Kendra is provided a rupees 15 lakh for training, then toolkits, raw materials, branding, so that self-reliant livelihood can be created. Under Pradhan Mantri Janajati Vikas Mission and Pradhan Mantri Janajati Adivasi Naya Maha Abhijan, rupees 216 crore 55 lakh has been approved for setting up 1,749 Bonodhan Vikas Kendra in the Northeast, through which more than 5,24,070 tribals will get benefited. So far, 57 Bonodhan Vikas Kendra have been approved in Tripura under Pradhan Mantri Janajatiya Vikas Mission. 30 Bonodhan Vikas Kendras has also been approved, specially for the particular vulnerable tribal groups, that is PBTG community, under the Pradhan Mantri Janajati Adivasi Naya Maha Abhijan scheme. Through continuous effort, this TriFair is playing a leading role in strengthening the livelihood of tribal communities in the Northeast by adding value, that is value added, to their products and preserving their rich cultural heritage, which is making a significant contribution in their sustainable development. With this, I conclude my speech. Again, I would like to give my thanks to our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi ji, the way he is thinking for the development of our this tribal people, particularly for the northeastern region, really we are fortunate enough that this kind of leader we have presently in our country. Thank you very much. Namaskar, Jai Hind, Bharat Mata ki Jai.